Dujana was given a secret burial at 12:30 a.m. in Baramulla. This after Pakistan refused to accept Dujana's body. This is the news that is just coming in. Abu Dujana, who's been neutralized by security forces, Pakistan refusing to accept his mortal remains, given a secret burial at around 12:30 in Baramulla. And in fact, this is Pakistan double speak that's exposed at the moment. Kamaljeet, give us more details.
Well, sources clearly point out that yes, Abu Dujana has been buried in Shiri, Baramulla. His body was taken from the encounter site towards Uri Baramulla Road. This is somewhere around midnight, and we've been told that around 12:30 this afternoon his body was buried. But what is also important is that though there is input coming in that Pakistan refused to accept his body, sources in the Pakistan High Commission are giving a contrary point of view, saying there is no such request which came in from the Indian government. But however, we've been speaking to our sources within Jammu Kashmir Police and the security forces. They've been saying for the past 2 years the body is not been, especially of the foreign terrorists, is not handed over. It is actually headed towards this particular burial site where a foreign terrorist is buried. And obviously this after India, we've seen in 2611 also where this offer was made by the Indian government to hand over the body of Pakistani terrorists. They obviously denying their own role in something of a Pakistan-fueled terrorism in Kashmir. That's the reason mostly what is given as per our sources. So clearly that's been done. But what is also important is information coming in that there were several funeral prayers which were offered in absentia for Abu Dujana in parts where he seemed to be popular. But the fact is, at this point of time, we've seen many of those who voiced their opinion and saying that he is a man who had a glad eye. He was a womanizer. We heard IG Munir Khan of Jammu Kashmir Police talking about how there was a specific role, and obviously with intelligence information coming in regarding his movement where he was gunned down yesterday, this is obviously a big shot in the arm for security forces.
Absolutely, Kamaljeet, absolutely. And also the fact that now you have another dossier that's been prepared by security forces to hunt down the top 6 terrorists in the valley. It just speaks volumes about how there's a serious crackdown that's happening in the valley. Around 100 plus terrorists have been neutralized, and Pakistan can no longer play patron to them.
Well, absolutely. In my hand is that particular dossier itself. There was a 12 document dossier which was issued by the army on the 1st of June. It's already 6 down. We spoke to several of the security experts. This is the name of Abu Dujana, who was killed yesterday. Then there is Bashir Lashkar, who was killed some time back, and he is the man who was heading the Lashkar front, supposed to be a dangerous man. And remember, he was also behind the killing of SHO Farooq Ahmed Dar. But what is also important is that the new list itself contains leaders like Zakir Musa, who's heading the Al-Qaeda wing. There is obviously Riaz Naiku, who is now heading the Hizbul Mujahideen commander. And again, we're talking about Abu Hamas, who is from Pakistan, the Jaish-e-Mohammed leader who's behind several of the attacks in South Kashmir. So that list actually goes on. But clearly, security forces have their hands full. We've been speaking to Home Secretary. We've been speaking to several people within the army and the CRPF. They're saying this is going to be the next 2-3 months are the months where they do expect a lot of action taking place in South Kashmir in neutralizing these terrorists.
Kamaljeet, thanks for joining us with all those details. Abu Dujana given a secret burial after Pakistan refuses to accept his mortal remains.